Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Meilisearch, Typesense, and Elasticsearch, and I will help you to decide which search engine is better in 2025. So first, let's go to Meilisearch. Meilisearch is a fast, open source search engine optimized for instant search with typo tolerance and relevancy. For the next one, Typesense. Typesense is a performance-focused search engine with simple setup and blazing fast results. For the last one, Elasticsearch. It is the enterprise-grade search engine known for its scalability, logs, and analytics integration. So let's compare the three of them. Number one is setup and ease of use. Meilisearch and Typesense are super easy to set up, while Elasticsearch requires more configuration and resources. Number two is for their speed and performance. Typesense is generally the fastest, while Meilisearch performs great with typo tolerance. And Elasticsearch is heavier, but it is the scalable one. Number three, features. Elasticsearch offer analytics, machine learning, and log processing, while Meilisearch and Typesense focus on search alone. Number four is for best use case. So, Meilisearch is best for content-rich websites, while Typesense is for blazing fast search in their SaaS. So, for Elasticsearch, it is for enterprise scale log and data analysis. So, for final verdict, choose Meilisearch for typo-tolerant search, pick Typesense for speed, and use Elasticsearch if you need powerful analytics and log handling. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.